If your small business struggles to compete while your marketing budget stays tight, these creative small business promotion strategies help you outmaneuver competitors without breaking the bank. Small business marketing success starts with authentic social media marketing, showing brand personality through behind-the-scenes content, constant customer engagement, and relationship building, because social media is modern word-of-mouth marketing. Content marketing for small business includes professional blog content, boosting small business SEO and customer trust, video marketing with testimonials, plus personalized email marketing campaigns with audience segmentation for better engagement rates. Local SEO for small business requires optimizing Google Business Profile, targeted keyword research, and mobile-friendly website design with fast loading speeds. Community engagement includes local business partnerships, cross-promotion opportunities, event sponsorship, networking through meetups, and building customer relationships through review collection and referral programs. Creative guerrilla marketing uses trending content and memorable DIY campaigns, prioritizing creativity over cost for maximum impact. Ready to outmaneuver competition? We'll handle the magic.